So the end of the first half, both teams have had their moments.
This is better.
There is an irresistible, irrepressible look about them here.
You know, the interest value in this game might just take off from here.
He's got the shot away!
Front line. I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out.
Trying to get lit.
And to Kolu. Ziyech.
Speculative strike. Quite squeezed that one through. Well, he was clearly disappointed with that pass.
Galatasaray clearly should have gone for the easier pass. Now they'll have to quickly regroup.
Well, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. So the end of the first half, both teams